The Marco CombiMaster is a high-performance combination weigher, designed to deliver accuracy, speed, and flexibility for food manufacturers. A single operator, positioned above the machine, simply spreads product into the 12 channels. The product then feeds onto the weigh belts until the programmed set point is reached and the in-feed conveyor is stopped. The CombiMaster is continually determining which channels combined make the most accurate pack weight, calling for more product when in short supply and discarding heavy loads that it cannot combine. All of this is achieved within a fraction of a second before the product is combined together and dispensed into the final product container. To find out more, contact Marco on +44 1732 782 380 or via email at sales@marco.co.uk.